The Chief of Defense Staff, General Anil Chauhan ji, said, this is not about insurgents. This is a clash between ethnic groups, ethnicities. जब हमारे जनरल अनिल चौहान ने बोला कि this is not about insurgencies, this is not about counter insurgencies, it is about ethnicities. Why do they call us militants? Why do they call us terrorists? It is just a clash between ethnicities. That is what General Anil Chauhan ji has said, isn't it? So now, my dear brothers and sisters, मेरे भाई और बहनों, I'll tell you, you know, I won't be surprised. I won't be surprised. मैं हैरान नहीं होंगी कि अगले दिन के खबर में वो बोलेंगे, cookies are from space. We are aliens. हाँ भाई और बहनों, हम अंतरिक्ष से आए हैं. We have come from the space. Oh, cookies are militants. We cannot prove that. Cookies are illegal immigrants. We cannot prove that. Isn't it? Now, the next news will be, अरे, cookies तो aliens है. They have come from outer space. अंतरिक्ष से आए हैं. What is this nonsense? Make up your mind. You cannot make up your mind because we are Indians. You have attacked our brothers and sisters. हम ये अत्याचार नहीं सहेंगे. We are here in solidarity to show our solidarity for our brothers and sisters whose houses have been burned, they have been killed, they have been forced out of their houses. What is this? Now let me tell you, my dear brothers and sisters, मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों, if they come and attack you, अगर कोई तुम्हारे घर में घुसेगा, एक चोर तुम्हारे घर में घुसेगा, obviously you're going to defend yourself, isn't it? If you come and attack me, if you come to my house, I will protect my daughters, I will protect my sons. If someone comes and attack you, won't you defend? And who is defending the villages? Who is defending the borders? Our tribal volunteers. My salute to our tribal volunteers who have been defending their villages. Isn't it? और मैं ये भी बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जो हमारे रक्षित कर रहे हैं, हमारे आर्मी पर्सनल, हमारे जो पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स है, I pay my highest respect to them. Let us clap for the army personnel, our paramilitary forces. They are the ones who are protecting us, isn't it? Jai Hind to all the army personnel. Jai Hind to all the paramilitary forces. Thank you for protecting us. And I would request the media people to give us fair representation. आपने देखा होगा हमारा सच, हम सच के सिवा क्या? We speak only the truth. झूठ नहीं बोलते. So we ask the media people to present what is fact. The fact, such number one, we are Indians. We are Indians. We are not illegal. Immigrants. We are not illegal immigrants. Such number two, which is we love all. Religion. We love all. Religion. We respect. Religion. Now, the third such is, it is called ethnic cleansing. मैंने जो बोला था, ethnic cleansing इसमें सफाई. You are targeting us because we are Kuki-Zo, isn't it? We come from Kuki-Zo tribal community. So, such number 13, it is what is called ethnic cleansing. So, my dear brothers and sisters, this is what is called ethnic cleansing. Loudly. Ethnic cleansing. Loudly. Ethnic cleansing. So, ये तीन सच है. We are Indians, we love all religion, and it is pure and simple ethnic cleansing. And my dear brothers and sisters, I would like all of you to stand up in respect of our nation killed. And this is the list of people who have been killed, who have been identified by their family members. Others who have not been identified is not in the list, because their bodies have been burned before recognition. This is why we won. We won. Look at list properly, dear brothers and sisters. Media वाले ये list देखो. 83 people. They are somebody's brothers. They are somebody's fathers. They are somebody's husband. They are somebody's sons. Don't we feel pity for them? And this is the list of only people who have been identified. The others who have not been identified because their bodies were burned, they were butchered, इसलिए वो list में नहीं है. These are the list of the only lists which have been identified by the family members. This is injustice, isn't it? Yes. We will not tolerate injustice. And we are very, very thankful. हम बहुत खुश हैं. हम बहुत खुश है कि हमारे जो केंद्र सरकार हमारे बातें को सुन रहे हैं और हम बहुत खुश है कि हमारे गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी गए थे कल मणिपुर में और उन्होंने बोला, थैंक यू अमित शाह जी, प्लीज क्लैप फॉर आवर होम मिनिस्टर. हमारे गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी गए थे मणिपुर बिकॉज आर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, दे आर दी ओनली पीपल, जो हमारे केंद्र सरकार है वो हमारे बातें सुन रहे हैं और हमारे जो दर्द है वो पहचानते हैं. श्री अमित शाह जी ने बोला 15 दिन मेंटेन पीस. वी आर मेंटेनिंग पीस, isn't it? Yes. We are maintaining peace, isn't it? Yes. And what has happened? When we landed in Manipur, periphery of our villages were attacked. We were maintaining what? Peace. But our villages were attacked even when the Griha Mantri Shri Amit Shah ji was there. This goes to show we want peace. हमें शांति चाहिए, isn't it? Yes. हमें normalcy चाहिए. Yes. हमें सम्मानता चाहिए, which is peace and normalcy. But they don't want peace and normalcy. They attacked us. वो पेरिफेरी ऑफ द विलेजेस में आते हैं, हमारे गाँवों को अटैक करते हैं, हमारे ऊपर अत्याचार करते हैं. बट वी रिस्पेक्ट द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, वी रिस्पेक्ट आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर. हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री मोदी जी को हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, उनको सम्मान देते हैं. क्लैप फॉर आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर. केंद्रीय सरकार, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट विल लिसन टू अस बिकॉज व्हाट टू से अबाउट, यू नो, व्हाट टू से अबाउट हु? What to say about? So Biren Singh? Biren Singh? And we salute the central government for sending our Mananiya Griha Mantri Amit Shah ji, and he has said please maintain peace. 15 दिन के लिए शांति रखना. हम शांति रख रहे हैं because we want peace and normalcy, isn't it? जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. Once more loudly. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. Please sit down.